Hello, I'm the older sister of Dr. Kim In-koo from Royal Line Clinic. I had upper body liposuction 8 months ago, and it's been about 2 months since I had my lower body surgery. Come to think of it, I ended up doing full body liposuction. And the biggest reason I decided to get a liposuction was my brother's recommendation. Also, I started gaining weight in a way that caused health problems. That was the biggest reason. As I suddenly gained weight, I developed high blood pressure and diabetes, and that made me think I really needed to lose weight. I'm very satisfied now. My blood sugar and diabetes levels have returned to normal, which I'm really happy about. Before, I felt sluggish and tired all the time. But as my health improved, I became more active. So overall, I'm very satisfied. First, I want to go to a water park with my family. When I was heavier, I avoided wearing swimsuits and things like that. Now I want to wear a pretty swimsuit and stand confidently in front of people. Since I regained my health through liposuction, I strongly recommend it to people who suddenly gained weight and struggled to exercise. Hello, I'm older sister of Dr. Kim In-koo from Royal Line Clinic. I'm back again. I didn't have a waistline before, but now I do. I'm so happy. My husband used to worry because I was overweight, and now that burden is lighter, which feels great. And most importantly, I had diabetes, and now my blood sugar levels have returned to normal, and I'm very happy about it. After upper body liposuction, I didn't gain weight there, but I kept gaining weight in my lower body, so my body proportions looked off. Since the upper body turned out well, I wanted to slim the lower body too. I've already experienced the upper body surgery, so I trust my brother.
Looking at your photos, you've lost so much weight.
It looks great. I'm happy, but Mom is even happier.
You look like a completely new person. You're here for your lower body surgery today. Right? How should I do it for you?
You take everything out so well. You're good at removing all of it. Start with the fat on the buttocks here, and take everything from the thighs and calves too.
But hey, what about the calf muscle here?
I have big calf muscles.
We'll remove fat and use Botox to reduce the muscle. We'll slim everything down nicely. You still have a lot to take out, so I'll remove everything. Don't worry, trust me. Did you fast properly?
Of course I did. I haven't eaten since last night. I didn't even drink water.
Good. Let's do the markings first, and I'll see you in the OR.
Let's head to surgery now.
I will be back.